Hi friends, June here, tuning in from Finland. As you can see, it's a little brighter outside, but inside is something else. I hope you all are doing fine. And guys, days are getting shorter and darker here. So, baby, it's cold outside. It's time to bundle up. The perfect time to cuddle under a blanket. Someone said, winter is the time for comfort, for good food and warmth, for the touch of a friendly hand, and for a talk beside the fire. It's time for home. I apologize guys if this video is kind of wonky and looks a little bit yellowish, but yes, it's winter and we live almost in the darkness here, but I'm so happy to bring you these videos. I've always wanted to have a hot cocoa or coffee bar station, but I always thought that I didn't have enough space for this. I considered putting it here in this space, but it was a kind of no because as you can see the place is already full. So I decided to take this space here on this IKEA shelf. I used to have some flowers and other stuff. Then I thought, hey, why not give it a try and try here. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to film the whole process, but I can do it in another tour video. So everything here, like the sign, the hot cocoa sign here, I made it myself. This sign here, I bought it €1 from a place called Tiger, and I almost spent less than €15 for just the stuff, the marshmallows, and all the nice stuff that you see on this table. So yeah, I am just happy with the result. My children like this space here because now they come and enjoy the hot cocoa. So yes, though I just want to say, if you don't have a lot of space in your kitchen, don't hesitate. Just find a small place where you can put something to enjoy with your family. As you can see, I have some chocolate stick or cane, I don't know how you call it, but all the mugs I already had them. Like, yes, apart from the marshmallow, cookies and other stuff, everything I already owned. So let's go ahead and make ourselves some hot cocoa. This is just me making myself a cup of hot cocoa. I'm just adding my marshmallows on top of it and then some cream. This is my first time doing this, guys, but I can tell you it's delicious. I am so mad at you for not telling me this. But I love it. So I made some cups for my children too. So all they had to do was to add whatever they wanted, and as you can see, it just warms my heart my heart seeing them enjoying this hot cocoa on a cold evening. So from now on, this spot there is not just for Christmas, but it's gonna be for the whole winter. As you can see, my children love it, I love it, so we're gonna keep that place running. So after cleaning my kitchen, I just love to see how clean my kitchen is. Everything looks perfect to me. Yes, everything looks perfect to me. And there I have my hot cocoa / coffee bar, and I'm just a happy mama. I really hope and pray that you all are doing fine. Please don't hesitate to make yourself this kind of pleasure. It's almost Christmas. Yes, just enjoy your families. Keep warm, and I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. God bless and bye.